gives that lead he had back. 4, 5, 6 over the big double.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're at Otterville Nitro Blast 2022. I'm about to go up for the e-buggy E-main. It's a 10-minute main and there's 4 bump ups. So we're gonna go out with the Tekno EB48 2.0. We're gonna try and get into the B. So we're gonna start the E-main in position 6 and see if we can get in those top 4 to get the bump up and then the bump up again. Hopefully we can move up the grid, but it's gonna be a tough battle. We'll see if we can do it. Here we go, e-buggy E-main. Get this race on video for you guys. Here we go.
Doug, I'll have somebody grab you on the 7, please. Is it good? 40 on the 8, bars on the 9.
Good luck.
Derek Pryor on the 10. Drivers, let's take a lap. We got all the marshals there.
All right, here we go. Practice lap.
Michael Wilson, Neil Stewart, Holden Booker, Dennis Nagle, Paul Van Wheel. 15 seconds to the start of the race. Netcruzer, Chris Thomas, Brandon McNabb.
Connor on the 1, Neil on the 2, Mike Moore Sr. on the 3, Paul 4, Brandon 5, Kennedy 6, Reimer 7, Vogel 8, Fontes 9, Mayville 10.
All right, starting in P6.
Another loaded electric buggy. This is the E-main. I can't believe how deep this field is this weekend in all classes. And you got guys that are making A-mains locally every single time out. They're in the E. That is just nuts. All right. Grid's looking spiffy. Thank you, Mr. Balzer. Quarter marshals ready. Drivers ready. This is your 10-minute electric buggy E-main. We'll take out the top 4 and move up to race number 20. Drivers will race on the sound of the tone in less than 5. Nice clean start here, guys. Very nice. Very nice. That was really good. That was probably the best one all day. All right, off and running. All right, off and running. We're going to continue the reign of terror.
I got screwed down that one.
He's trying. He's in third already. Gross, Moore, Reimer, Mayville, Marshall, Vogel, Vanderweel, followed by Fontes, Stewart, and Kennedy. Wow, that was a big jump over the big double, and we got trouble. Vanderweel stuck on the plate in no man's land. It's all clear. Groves, Reimer, Mike Moore Sr., Dennis Mayville, your top 4. And they are stacking up at the back of the field. Keep it clean there, gentlemen. The Tug Reimer set up once again, trying to bump it up in e-buggy, but he's trying to run down Connor Groves. But a very nice e-trucking main. We're going to try and do the same here in electric buggy. Watch out, guys. We got one stuck on the ski jump. Need a little help. Marshall just got his foot taken out. We're going to try and do the same here in electric. Number 4 could use a little relief if somebody could grab it. That was a pretty tough hit. 130 down, 8:30 to go. That was Marshall with a little car to foot contact. I'm sure it was not intentional. Groves out front. Reimer 4.5 seconds back, so maybe Doug's finally met his match here. Connor and Doug going to try and ride this tough train together. Mike Moore Sr. in the 3 spot. Now Mayville going to take that away from him and move it in the 3.
Whoa,
Trying to move it in the 3.
Whoa,
Mike Moore in the 4 spot, followed by Neil on the 5. Looks like it's going to be Vanderweel in the 6 spot, followed by Fontes, Kennedy, Vogel, and Marshall. Leaders down the ski jump. It's going to be the orange, red, white, and black of Groves. Orange and white, Negan of Reimer in the 2 spot. Thank you, Brandon. Letting them both go, letting them battle it out here. 2:30 down, 7:30 to go. Great racing up front here. These guys continue to duke it out. Mayville still third. Moore Sr. Here comes Vanderweel. Back up to the 5 spot. Stewart in the 6. Fontes, Vogel, Kennedy, and Brandon Marshall. Connor Rose and Doug Reimer, a little contact coming to the anthills there. I don't think that was a hatch. I think it was just lines crossing. And Doug Reimer going to take it over. So Reimer up front again. He's been moving on through these warm races. Roll the double, guys. Roll the double. Roll the double. Roll the double. Roll the double. Clear. Paul, that was kind of borderline, but luckily Marshall was clear. Doug Reimer out front. Watch double landing, guys. Stay outside on the double. Outside on the double. Outside. Thank you, Doug. It's clear. So Connor Groves trying to run back down on Reimer. Little mistake from Doug after the ski jump. So the kicker, your leaders go. Up and around Daytona. Sorting their way down through the anthills and across the start finish line. 1 and 2 all by themselves. Dennis Mayville in the 3. Vanderweel back up to the 4 now. Stewart in the 5. That's going to move Vogel back to the 6. And Mike Sr. back to the 7. It's going to then be Kennedy, Fontez, and Marshall
6 minutes left.
to round out the field. 4 down, 6 to go. Still got Reimer, Groves, Mayville. Circling there for the top 3. Those guys are getting the job done. Doing exactly what they have to do, running nice smooth races. Don't need to set the wall on fire, just need to be in the top 4 right now. That's all you need to do. Connor still pursuing Doug Reimer. Fontez, you got second place up behind you, sir. Oh, Reimer, a mistake on the kicker. Lead change. It's going to be Reimer, it's going to be Gross. Back to the front over Reimer. So switch the roles now. Connor going to try and hold off Doug for the lead now. Coming to the halfway point, 5:15 to go. Still lots of time here for things to happen. Nitro Buggy D-Main is up next. Nitro Buggy D-Main is up next.
Five minutes left.
5 down, 5 to go. Rose, Reimer, Vanderweel, Stewart, and Mayville, my top 5. Followed by Vogel in the 6th spot. Kennedy, Moore, Fontez, and Marshall. We'll turn on the ski jump for Marshall. This is not Brandon's race here. He's having a tough one. 4:40 to go. Still got Vanderweel in that 3rd spot over Neil Stewart. Vogel right there for that other transfer spot. The battle is down the ski jump. The green and pink against the green, white and orange. Tekno against X-ray. Looks like Mayville dropping out. I just saw the car sitting on the sideline. So Mayville going to fall down out of this race. Tough break, he was up there in one of those transfer positions. That's going to give some good fortune to Vanderweel. Now we got Stewart upside down. It's going to give Vogel the 4th spot. Colton getting his head together here on main day. Already bumped up once, going to try and do it again.
4 minutes left.
6 down, 4 to go. No contact with our 2 leaders. Thank you, Doug. Good sportsmanship. They are 13 seconds in front of Paul, so they can poke it out a little bit. Oh, Connor, a mistake going to the kicker. It is clear. So Doug taking the lead back again. They switched the lead about 20 times in this race.
Oh, sorry, little contact. Go, go, go.
6:30 down, 3:30 to go. Still got Reimer leading the way. He's coming up on the back of the battle between Kennedy and Stewart for 5th and 6th. The different has got drivers that is the leader behind you. And Vogel spins out. Oh no! Colton gives that leading hand back. 4, 5, 6 over the big double. Hang on, Neil. Hang on. Let them both go. All right, that was your ball. Go. So it's going to put Kennedy in front now in that 4th spot. Sometimes being the 3rd car line is the best place to be. Kennedy up to that 4th spot, red and white Tekno. He's got a tire coming off though, that's not going to help him any. Looks like the white front was slapping in the breeze if I saw it correctly. Oh yeah, that ain't good. So Stewart and Vogel going to try and chase him back down here. Colton back up to 5th. That battle is hot and heavy over the kicker. Oh, Kennedy just about throws it away. Here comes Colton. 2:30 to go, drivers. Still lots of time to settle it. Oh, Vogel flipping over. That's going to put Stewart back into 5th. These guys are handing it back and forth. Nobody wants to win. Oh, Colton laying it over in the sweeper. It's clear, it's clear. Far from over though. Anybody's race for that 4, 5, 6 spot. Watch the big double, guys. Watch the big double. Van wheel upside down. Marshall, set the cars down when they break. The race is over. It doesn't matter. Set the cars down.
Well, look out. Sorry.
Oh, Kennedy jumping big on the double. So we're going to try and take advantage here. All right, it's clear. The Vanderbilt going to luckily hang on to that second spot. Looks like Connor was out of this one. That's what happened. Oh, man. He's got a collection down there at the pre-cone. 2 cars both dead. So it's going to be now Reimer, Vanderbilt, Kennedy, and Stewart. Both on the outside looking in. He's right behind him. I think this is the second, third, fourth, fifth of the big double. That is the final transfer. Stewart and Vogel. 1:15 to go. Vanderbilt still in that second spot. He's trying his best to give it back though. He was way out front. And now he's got to play defense in this final minute. Second of the big double. Third of the big double. Fourth and fifth on their way. Uh-oh. Looks like Vogel ready to run out of juice. Yeah, Vogel running out of juice here. May have dumped that battery. Oh, man. 45 seconds to go. And the power just comes up short for Colton. Colton, before you blow that thing up, I might recommend pulling it out. That's borderline. Tough break for Colton. He was right there looking to pounce. But Vanderweel, Kennedy, and Stewart are going to try and finish it up. More senior in that 6th spot, point a ways back. So 25 seconds to go, Doug Reimer is 30 seconds out front. Once again trying to lap this field. He has been moving up through these lower mains like a champ.
15 seconds left.
Reimer, Kennedy, Vanderweel, Stewart, and more. My new top 5 clocks about to expire, guys. Listen for the horn. And when you cross, you're done.
This bumper's up. Brandon, the Monday's up. Doug Reimer.
Doug Reimer takes the win again. E-buggy, E-main winner. Doug Reimer.
Netcruzer up.
Kennedy finishes second. Vanderweel third. Neil Stewart finishes fourth. You guys are all moving on. Waiting for Mike Morsi.
Right on, man.
He's going to finish up.
All right.
Hard fifth.
We did it. We got the bump. Second. All right. Can you help me glue that while I marshal? I've got a battery on the side here, so we just have to pop this battery that's in my bag. All right, we got the bump up. We're gonna go to the e-buggy D main now. Just got second in the E main. The only 1 car ahead of me was Doug Reimer, which he's super fast. He missed qualifier, so he's been bumping up every race. And we're gonna go out there with the e-buggy and try and win again. Glue a bead on my tire on the E-main, so I'm just gluing them now. I've got my friend Jim is out there helping marshal nitro while I just get my car ready, put in a fresh new Gens Ace Redline battery, get my motor cooled down at Otterville Nitro Blast 2022.